I've joined Nancy Adamek in the studio today, where she's going to give us a wonderful workshop on this brilliant table runner that you've designed.
Oh, thank
you.
It's
a brand new project, isn't it?
Yes, it is, and I'm very flattered that you think it's brilliant.
I certainly do. It's beautiful. It's called Tudor Rose.
Yes, I have to name my patterns. This is something that I came up with myself, so I thought it looked a bit like a Tudor rose, so that was the name. Sorted.
And
it's not always that easy.
No.
Sometimes there's a lot of deliberation in the office and
that.
Lots of ideas being tossed, but Tudor Rose was quite quick.
I think it looks very apt. We've got some very interesting techniques that you're going to cover. We've got fussy cutting.
Yes.
From here.
A little bit, not too much.
Lovely bit of fabric.
Mm-hmm.
We've got fussy cutting from this.
Yeah, this is a Tula pink fabric that we fussy cut.
We've got
and then these are
tildes,
indeed, and a bit of grunge. We all love a bit of grunge.
I was going
and
to say,
then some basic
new.
dots.
Yeah, the grunge range is new to me, and I think it's a very unfortunate name.
Yes, I suppose it is.
When you're my age, it is. But it's actually very beautiful, and because it's got all this variegation, it works really well, doesn't it?
Yes,
in
I love
your project, I have to say. So the pattern comes as is usual with all of your patterns. They come with full instructions.
Full instructions, full set of papers,
paper
of course.
pieces.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there's no faffing around there.
No. So we've got what shapes are we going to cover? We've got octagons.
Yes, we got in the blocks here, as you can see, we start with an octagon, then we've got jewel shapes. They're not your 60-degree jewel shapes, so they're different. And then we got these curved bits here, which are Drunkard's Path.
Oh, I recognise this one, Drunkard's Path.
Yes, and then we finish off with some classic diamonds, which go around the outside, and some kites. So there's quite a lot of different shapes in this pattern.
And lot of techniques to cover.
Yes.
And at the end, we're going to do a bit of appliqué work.
Yes, because that's how we usually finish our EPP projects.
Now that I can relate to, because EPP, sadly, despite all your inspiration, is not my favourite.
I have to
technique.
work harder, obviously.
You do. But appliqué I love. So, but this is very inspirational. So thank you very much. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure.